I'm sure a lot of you have seen a ton of videos on this subject on YouTube. Just like me, though, you probably didn't get anything, and how could you? The vast majority of the videos you've watched likely simply instruct you to visit one website to create a picture and then another to turn it into a video. Well, in today's video, I'm pulling back the curtain and showing you exactly how I create high-quality videos using a completely free video generator. No gatekeeping, no complicated setups, just simple, powerful tools that turn text into cinematic videos and images into motion-packed content in minutes. So here's what I have done. First, I created a sample video. Watch it and then decide if you want to continue watching this full tutorial.
One evening, Alex found a note from school about career day and quietly hid it in his bag. His father was a garbage collector, and Alex felt embarrassed when he imagined his classmates' reactions. On the day of the event, parents arrived dressed in suits and smart clothes. Then Alex's father walked in wearing his work uniform. Alex felt his face grow warm and kept his head down. When his father spoke, he explained how collecting waste kept the city healthy and prevented diseases. He talked about waking up early so families could live in clean neighborhoods. The class listened closely and asked questions. Alex realized his father's job mattered more than he had ever understood. His embarrassment slowly turned into pride. He realized that his father did an important and honorable job. As his father was about to leave, Alex stood up to say sorry. His father smiled at him and said, "I love you too, my son. It doesn't matter what others think. All that matters to your family is that you love and respect them."
Now take a look at this YouTube channel. The creator has amassed 8.9K subscribers with just 31 short videos. Now look at this YouTube channel. With just 25 videos, this creator has garnered over 1 million subscribers. Take a look at this one. 31 videos and 445K subscribers. This is something you can accomplish as well. All you have to do is watch the video all the way till the end, and I'll show you how. Today, I'm going to show you how to come up with the perfect prompt for your images, how to use those prompts to make realistic images, and how to turn those images into high-quality videos. After that, we'll talk about how to edit the end video. I guarantee that if you watch this video through to the finish, you won't need to watch any more tutorials on the subject. So let's get started right now. To start, the most important thing when making videos is the story. To create a perfect story, head over to the channel whose videos you enjoy. Find a video you like, copy its link, and then open Chrome. Search for NoteGPT and select the first option. I've included a link to it in the explanation. Paste the video link into the YouTube Video Summarizer tab. Click Generate Transcript, and the tool will turn the entire video into text. Finally, copy the text. Open ChatGPT, paste the transcript, and tell it, "I'm sharing a story with you wherever street sweeper is mentioned. Replace it with firefighter." Say what changes you want to ChatGPT and then run the command. It will give you a new story with those changes. You may be asking yourself, "That's simple. We could do this ourselves. Why do we need ChatGPT?" Here's the thing. If you give ChatGPT an example story, you can ask it to produce more stories in the same style. Simply respond by saying, "Now that you know what kind of stories I enjoy, please write 5 more stories of the same length and style." ChatGPT will create 5 new tales for you if you run that command. Now that we understand how to write compelling stories, let's discover how to use them to create image prompts. Choose your favorite story, copy it, and paste it into ChatGPT. Then, ask for scene-by-scene picture prompts for the story. The images should be realistic 3D cartoons. After you execute that command, ChatGPT will prompt you for each scene. Copy those prompts one at a time now, as we'll be using them to generate images. Search for Microsoft Designer in Chrome, select the top result, log in, and create a new account using your email address. You will be given a verification code after entering your email address and clicking Next. Enter the code and proceed as instructed. You will receive 15 free credits every day after logging in, which is sufficient to create images for one video. Since these shorts are uploaded once daily, everything is ideal. If you require additional credits, log out and create a new account using a different email address. The image can be created by clicking on Describe Your Image, pasting the prompt, selecting Portrait, and then clicking Create. Every time, it generates 4 images. Paste the next prompt, choose the size, then click Create to repeat this process. Simply click the download icon to start the image's download. Continue doing this until you have all of your images ready. Next, we'll turn them into a video. Return to ChatGPT and state, "Give me animation prompts so I can make videos now that I have created all the images using your prompts." ChatGPT will provide comprehensive animation prompts for every image. Your task is now complete. Find Kling AI in your web browser, then either create an account or sign in. In the video option, choose the 1.6 model, upload your image, and the first animation prompt. Select the ratio, and click Generate. Click the download icon to save the video to your computer. You can convert a second image by uploading it, pasting the prompt, and pressing Generate again. Perform this action again and again until all the images are converted. Here's a tip. If your credits run out, use your other Gmail accounts to create more video. This makes it simple to produce an entire video in a single day. Let's now discuss video editing. But first, we must use 11 Lab to turn our story into a voiceover. There, you can paste your story, pick a voice character, and click Generate. Once the voice is ready, you can download it. I use CapCut for editing, but you can use any app you desire. First, put all of your video clips in the right order. Then add the voiceover. Cut out any parts of the voiceover that aren't needed. Finally, line up your video clips with the voice. Add some background music and finally export the video, and there you have it. You already saw the final video at the beginning? That's it, guys. I will see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for future uploads and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video.